Welcome to your French class. Today we are going to do a message writing. Message à votre ami pour l'inviter à votre anniversaire la semaine prochaine. Message to your friend for inviting him on your birthday next week. So let's start. So first of all we write the day and then comes the date with year. Lundi, le 15 avril 2020. Cher Pranay. C'est mon anniversaire le 21 avril. It's my birthday on April 21st. Je t'invite pour une fête chez moi à 19h. I invite you for a party at my house at 7 p.m. Tous nos amis viendront. All our friends will come. Nous nous amuserons. We will have fun. Ton ami, your friend, Alex. Now at last comes the name of the person who is leaving this message. Cher Pranay, c'est mon anniversaire le 21 avril. Je t'invite pour une fête chez moi à 19h. Tous nos amis viendront. Nous nous amuserons. Ton ami Alex. So this is how to write a message to your friend for inviting him on your birthday. So that's it for today. See you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye.